Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you some causes of vision loss. Someone's vision deteriorated as a result of that he is looking at a screen all day without periodical rest and active watching around. Someone's as a result of the boxing fight, he got punched in his head, got stressed and eye muscles got spasmodic and cannot relax. For someone is worsened as a result of his work in a microassembly factory of electronics. He's assembling micro details and constantly his vision is strained and he doesn't know how to relax his eyes constantly. And for someone it happens because he was scared of something and due to mental stress there was a spasm of the eye muscles and vision deteriorated. For someone, vision could deteriorate because as a child he constantly saw how his parents argue with each other and the child was constantly under stress. Our eyes and eye muscles are very sensitive, much more sensitive than the skin of our hands. And in case of any dangerous situation, our eye muscle get tensed. And if a person doesn't know how to relax them, it can cause constant tension of the eyes and vision deterioration. Because only relaxed eyes can see clear. There can be many reasons and not a single doctor can tell you what the real reason is. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.